I'm replacing my spoiler, the old fiberglass style spoiler, with a Spoilers by Randy metal spoiler. You can see that the sheen of the paint doesn't exactly match up, but it's a vast improvement looks wise and strength wise from the old fiberglass one. See the fiberglass one laying on the ground, and the sheen of the paint doesn't match up as it comes from Randy compared to the paint on my car, which is a matte black Firebird. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and repaint it and reinstall it, but I figured may as well take some video while I'm doing that and share it with everybody. So the Spoilers by Randy spoiler bolts right up in the same place as the factory spoiler, but it doesn't use the metal rods that you can see on the factory spoilers. So because it's rigid, it's made out of metal instead of fiberglass. It doesn't have any flex to it, so it doesn't need those support rods for when you're going down the freeway. So Randy uses the existing bolt holes. I did add a couple of sheet metal screws, shot them through there just to give it a little more tighten it up towards the valence. But one thing I did want to note as I'm painting, Randy recommends that, or he gives you some washers to put in here to act as a spacer. Those washers are slightly visible, so I'm going to go ahead and paint those as well when I paint the spoiler so that they match the car. The spoiler is now off. I'm going to clean it up, paint it. Hopefully it dries quickly and I can bolt it back up and the sheen of the paint's going to match. Okay, got it painted, got it all bolted back up. The matte finish matches the car now. Looks much, much better. Big difference. Very solid piece that Randy makes.